Yo, what's poppin', everyone? Welcome to Gap Trades. You already know who it is. It's your host with the most, Jermaine Hatcher, and today's topic is gap down windows and how trading it would have netted you $1,600 in profits today. Let's go ahead and dive right on into that. Yeah! And we are back, baby. Man, charts are beautiful. I just had to sit there and admire it. You know what I'm saying? This chart is a pretty chart. You know, I don't know how your guys' setup is, but you don't always need hella monitors and all that stuff, you know what I'm saying, to be able to trade effectively. You know what? That is gonna definitely be a topic sometime near in the future. You know what I'm saying? But let's go ahead and dive right on to what we in here for. We're looking at how you gonna make, or how you made $1,600 today trading a gap down window. It is actually supposed to say how you would have made $1,600 trading this pattern. You know, freestyling. Sometimes you're gonna mess up, but back to the damn video. My bad. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at this chart. We all know what gap downs, what you do on a gap down play. You go long the market. So open the bell, gap down from yesterday's close, and you see right away I went ahead and we had the initial fake out, like it was gonna shoot up and go. The pullback, it almost pulled back and hit the stop loss. It didn't happen. It came back like it wanted to get in. Got in here. I actually got stopped out by like 4 or 5 times today. Today was one of them days. But it happens. I got in here at 22,541. Didn't happen. You know, this is my go-to strategy, my go-to play. After the initial pullback, I usually jump in once the entry point is breached, and then we off to the races. Didn't happen. As soon as it jumped in, came back and got stopped out. It hit the stop loss, act like it wanted to do something. It didn't. Today it was just choppy. It was just choppy for the first, like, actually not for the first anything, for 5 hours. The market didn't turn around until the last hour of the day. So you see, I got back in at the entry point. Looked like we was going to take off. No, another pullback. This time, you know, it was in there. I didn't really get stopped out until around like almost close to 11 in the morning. And from this point, it looked like we were just gonna have a downtrend. And then something just ironic just transpired. I don't know what happened. All of a sudden, the market took off. And we're gonna go ahead and look at it. We hit the low. We pretty much what we did is we hit the low of the day on the market, and then we just had a reversal. Got back in again at 22,551. Got back in, and this is when we was off to the races. You know, usually when you hit the low of the day, you go ahead and now you're about to go and start making a new high for the day in the trading market, as you see, as we did here in the close. But came up, window filled, 324 points, $5 per point, $1,600. Well, $1,620 profit today was made just by trading this particular setup. This is a go-to setup. This is mine. I have two setups that I play, and that's it. I don't do anything else. I like it. I make money on it. They're low risk, high probable trades, and they fit my trading personality. I just like it. So today was a good day trading the gap down window. It didn't feel as fast as I wanted it to. I got stopped out 3 times, and it damn near took all day. I don't like trading all day. I like to just trade for 2-3 hours a day. But it was just one of them days that I was just sitting here doing nothing. Was geeked off on my coffee. It's that time still, so it's still the peppermint mocha. That's what I was on. But gap down window filled today, 324 points, $1,600 day profit, just trading it, and it was a good day in the market. The last hour, we're gonna experience these wild swings. It was about pretty much a 900 point deficit. We was down, I believe, 600, almost 500-600 points at the session's low, and then we rallied 260 points to close in a matter of hours. The volatility is by the algorithm traders. That's it. There's nothing else about it. And so we're going to experience these wild swings. Like yesterday, we rallied 1,000 points. You know me, I go back. We're going to go back and we're going to look at 5 days. I'm a trader. I trade this pattern, and all gap windows have to fill. So I'm going back. We're going to go back and we're going to look at the last 5 trading days to see what will transpire. When we're looking at it, last Thursday's trading window of a gap down didn't fill, and so that number there is 23,324. So that is actually from today. From today's close at 23,138. That's only 90 points, somewhere around there. Yeah, it's about 90 points. That's all we need to go ahead and fill that window. And so that's last Friday's window. It has to fill. We can go back 10 days. Let's look back 10 days, 10 trading session days to see what we come up with. And is that the last 10 trading days? I guess so. We come up with, and yeah, that's it. So we're gonna go ahead. And I believe tomorrow probably go ahead and bust that and be in there. Yeah, the chart is just staying right here. We're having technical difficulties. Oh no, actually we're not. There we go. Now it's acting right. Now it is acting right. We still even have to go ahead and touch 25,000 from the last 10 trading sessions. So that's that's a little bit further off. Last Thursday trading session window should be hit by tomorrow, but yeah, today was a good day. A little bit longer than expected, like I said. The last hour was it, and usually that's how it works. You trade the first hour of the sessions, and you trade the last hour. That's what some traders do, and that's what algorithms is set to do. So it's just one of them days, but good day. $1,600, can't complain on the gap down window. Last 2 trading sessions has been very, very well. Yesterday's gap up window filled. The last 2 windows filled, so that's good for the market. It's looking like we're going on up here from here, and we'll see. And that's it. So I'll holla at y'all. And we're back, baby. So there you have it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love days like this. And well, no, I don't. I mean, I love when I make money. You should too. And that's why I'm showing this to you, so you can make money trading these patterns. Futures market is a good market. Is where the big players move their money at. So us small retail investors, we're not gonna move anything. So pretty much what we're doing is we're going with the momentum, and the only way to be able to have a chance and make profits in a market like this, where the odds are stacked against you, where you're dealing with machines trading against you as a human, you have to have a proven trading strategy. You have to have a proven trading pattern, and these two things have to fit your personality to where you're going to be able to make money. And that's it. That's that. And then discipline and everything else comes into play. I'm not going to disregard that like it doesn't. But today was a good day. A goddamn window filled, 300 and some odd points, whatever it was. I'm off of that. But it was $1,600 in profits made, generated, if you would have been trading this trading pattern. So that's it. I will holler at y'all mañana, and everybody be smooth. Alright? Cool? Cool.